Welcome to Quad RC.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Quad RC. This is an unboxing and a review on the HyperGo 16207. I know you've seen some unboxing and reviews, but you haven't seen one done this fast before. You can get one of these with the link in the description down below. What's going on? Brushless motor, speed control, independent receiver,
Wow.
So what's nice about the HyperGo is the speed control and the receiver is separate, and then these thick drive shafts, you can compare it to the one from Temu, the Beast Pro and the Sweep Pro and all those things. Look how thin it is. .5. The HyperGo 5mm shaft. So the rear drive shafts is interchangeable with the front drive shafts. Then I have the black zone. It's the same as the HBX. The conversion that I'm busy with, I installed the Sweep Pro Temu drive shafts in there. But look at the similarity between these two cars. You can see this part here, this part there. The drive shafts are gonna fit. The diffs is gonna fit. The metal diffs. So if you can't find black zone parts, or you can't find HyperGo parts except for these thick drive shafts, the thin ones will fit in there. These ones will fit, and the diffs will fit. But the motor mount won't fit from the Temu cars. But if you look at this motor mount of the HyperGo, this is the motor mount for the HBX and the black zone. It's exactly the same thing. This is a HBX and black zone slider control arm. So this will fit in there. The hubs will fit. It will definitely fit in there. But look at the thickness difference. You're probably not gonna pay that much for HyperGo parts, but the Temu car parts will fit in here, except for the drive shafts. It's a bit longer, but the diffs will fit, and the hub bearings are the same. You have the Temu car here, so the drive shafts are a bit longer. So you can take that from the black zone Smiter. The brushless one is steel drive shafts, but the control arms, you can use that. You can use the diffs from the HBX as well, the brushless version. Just want to show you another thing. Listen to this car from Temu, AliExpress. Listen to the gear meshing on the HyperGo. Can't even hear it. So that's the quick unboxing and the review on the HyperGo 16207. So if we have that little GPS, we're gonna put these cars to the test, see which one is the fastest, and we can also see how fast they go, and we can have a drag race between these cars. I'm quite curious to see which one of these cars is the fastest. Because you can put a 3-cell in this one, you can put a 3-cell in this one. I'm gonna run them both on 2-cell, check the speed. I'm gonna run them both on 3-cell, check the speed, but that's for another video. I spoke to some potential sponsors and they said on 200 subscribers they sent me one of those GPSs. They don't want to reveal their names yet, but they also said that they'll send me some cars after 500 subscribers, and depending on the market, they're not telling me which one they're gonna send me. And we can do some more reviews, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. What the heck?